Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, in this video we are going to tell you that how you can schedule and email stock and sale analysis report according to you in the Mark software. So now let's see its process. So for this, firstly you will do yes to send SMS and send email in server.exe. And along with it, set the time interval in gap in second in two email. That how much gap should be there in between of both emails. After this, come in the software and here you will take care of this thing, that there should be an email setup in your Mark software to send the reports through email. For which you will go to master, then to Mark setup, then go to control room, then go to email setup, then accept it. Now as you will see, here is the first option, email send from. Means if you want that email should be sent automatically through the server, then set S here for Mark server. And along with it, just take care of this thing that your server.exe should keep running in the background. Then next is, do you want to send email through the mailer or the Outlook? If you want to send through the mailer, then you will select M instead of O and then type SMTP. And you can see SMTP is given here below. Suppose if you are sending reports through Gmail, then enter SMTP of Gmail here. And after this, enter your mail ID and its password. So as we have to send stock and sales report through Outlook, then set O for the Outlook. Then now press escape key and save the changes. After this, go to daily reports, then to fast reports, and then go to stock and sales email schedule. So in this way, a window of stock and sales email setup will open. Now click here on add, then select the company to whom you want to email the stock and sales report. Then enter the mobile number and email ID of the concerned person of your company. Along with it, if you want to, then you can enter email ID in CC and BCC here. After this, select the period that when you want to send the report, like monthly, fortnightly, daily or daily cumulative. Suppose if you select daily, then if today is 3, then report of 2nd will be sent. And if we select daily cumulative, and suppose if today is 24, then report from 1 to 23 will be sent. And in this way, if you want, and you can select in weekly as well, that on which day of the week you want to send the report. So suppose we will select weekly Friday. After this, you will select that you want to send stock and sales or not. Then we will do yes. In this way, if you want to send party versus item sale report also, then do yes to it as well. Then you will select that in which format you want to send the email, in CSV format or in Excel. Suppose we will select Excel. Then we will save it. So in this way, stock and sales report will be sent on this email ID to Elder India on every Friday. And now you can see the email being sent. And in this way, party will receive email on their email ID. Next, we will see resend scheduled emails. Now, if you want to send instant email, means you have scheduled email, but you want to send email instant instead of waiting for that scheduled email. Then for this, you will go to daily reports, then to fast reports, and then go to resend scheduled emails. Then enter that date of which you want to mail the report. Then this kind of message will be shown to you. Resend scheduled emails. Means, do you want to send these scheduled emails again? Then we will do it yes. So in this way, report will be sent instantly. So in this way, you can schedule and email stock and sale analysis report in the Mark software according to you. Thanks for watching.